everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel. I'm so excited. I bring into you brand new limited edition collection from Chanel. Fall collection. It's right here. I will show you in this video 6 lipstick, brand new, again limited edition, then 6 eyeshadow. And I will show you how to use this brand new eyeshadow because they're a little bit tricky. And of course, I will show you this beautiful 2 blushes and I will show you how to use them. Again, amazing collection. I am so excited. Brand new products, brand new palettes, brand new eyeshadow. I am very energetic tonight. Yes, tonight, because I grabbed this collection. I ran to my home. I'm making video just for you. I want you to see first. And if you like this video, please give me like, subscribe, comment below. Love you more than ice cream. I truly working very hard to deliver you all brand new release. Which one? It's coming to Nordstrom. Okay, let's start. First, let me show you this 6 eyeshadow from Chanel. Again, it's an autumn collection. They're beautiful, gorgeous colors. It's right here. This eyeshadow named Chanel Ombre Premiere Libre Powder Eyeshadow. Again, it's 2023 limited edition collection. This is how they come. They are powder. They have a small, tiny applicator. And I will show you best way how to use this eyeshadow. I'll be honest with you, I do not like to use this applicator right away on my eyes because it's a lot of fall down eyeshadows here, right? I'm telling you, it's best to use with your finger, or it's best way to use brush 200 from Chanel double-ended. And again, I did create my eye look less than 2 minutes, and I will show you step by step how I make my eyes beautiful and gorgeous just for you. We're gonna start with eyeshadow. I have 6 here and my hand's a little bit dry. I'm gonna just use setting mist to a little bit hydrate my hand, and we're gonna start with darkest color, which one in this collection, 414. I have a big hand. Let's do it. Ooh. This is first color, 414. Very beautiful, gorgeous color. It's the darkest color in this collection. This is color 406. Third color 412. Everyone want color 402. This is color 408. And last color 404. This is its all 6 colors. Yeah, I show you all 6 colors, which one it's available now at Nordstrom Tampa. Now let me show you how to apply this beautiful eyeshadow, and then I will show you all this lipstick. Lipstick by lipstick will be on my lips. Again, if you like this video, please subscribe, comment below. Let's get excited falls is here. Today I'm reviewing products, but of course I need to try this eyeshadow. And it's gonna be very easy, very simple. Remember, I just got this collection. I'm trying to make video before anyone else made video. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna apply a eyeshadow primer first, and then I'm gonna use this eyeshadow, and I will show you how to use them best way. I apply an eyeshadow primer, and it's from MAC. Sorry, this is my favorite. First eyeshadow, which one I'm gonna use, it's shiny brown number 404. It's actually my favorite color from this collection. I'm not gonna use right here because it's gonna be a lot of fall down eyeshadow, or maybe you can just do like this, but it's still, I don't want to apply because I knew it's gonna be a lot of fall down eyeshadow. I'm gonna use my favorite eyeshadow brush from Chanel 200. It's a double-ended. We have blending brush here, and we have like applying brush, and this is how I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this eyeshadow on my brush, and then I'm gonna apply. Ooh, so beautiful. So pretty. Open my eyes. Let me come close. Pop my eyes. This is just one eyeshadow, and I absolutely love. Look at my eye, how blue. Second step, I'm gonna use 402 eyeshadow. Again, this is how I open. This is how I little bit take off products, and I'm gonna use another end. It's a blending brush. Again, it's 200 brush. It's my favorite. And what I do, I just little bit like circular motion, just swipe my eyelid just like this. Very easy, very quick. Ooh. Also, you can apply little bit underneath. So simple, so quick. I think it's so pretty. You know what? Let's use one more eyeshadow, 406, and I'm gonna apply in the center of my eyelid right here for extra pop. I'm gonna use my finger just like this, and again I apply right here on center. Oh my god, I really like it. This is so easy, so quick. I do not like applicator, but I do like eyeshadow, and I just show you how to use brush and create this simple, easy look. And what do I need to add? Mascara and then brand new lipstick. Eyes done. Are you ready for brand new 2 blushes from Chanel? I am. Again, it's coming with beautiful Chanel pouch, but let's get excited. Ta-da! Oh my god, I must have this. Yes, it's gorgeous. To me, it's a color, 797 beige coral. I can use this for a face, I can use this for a blush, or if you actually have a deep skin, this will be perfect for, I feel, for bronze. I love this. And it's a second blush, and it's number 798 beige rose mauve. And you can see you can see obvious here coral and here mauve. They're both pretty. This is summer, this is winter or fall. Oh, they're both pretty. You know what? Let me try one and one and another on my cheek. I'm gonna use small brush from Chanel, and it's a powder brush. Let's do mauve first, right here. Very pretty, nice, beautiful texture. This is it's enough. And this not too deep. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. I love it. And now let's try coral. I don't know about you, I like two of them. And don't be scary, it's not go too dark, it's not pigment color like heavy, you need to reapply few times to build color, but either one look beautiful on me, and I like two of this color. Oh, I must have two. Eyes done, blush done. Are you ready for lipstick? I am, and also I feel this nail colors needs to be changed. And what do I have? I have two limited edition nail colors. I have two nail colors for you. Let me bring you a little bit closest. This is it's a deeper color. This is it's like orangey. I'll say orangey coral color number 163 and deeper color 165. And let me bring close to camera. I want you to see these colors. Look at how beautiful these nail colors. Again, if you're interested to purchase this collection, DM me soon it's possible. I can send you from Nordstrom and it's free shipping, and of course I'll put nice beautiful present for you. I have 6 beautiful colors here, and let me show you, let me try these colors on me. Remember, these lipsticks, they long wearing, they shine, they 8-hour plumping lipstick. We're gonna try first one, it's a lighter color, 150. Very pretty, very soft, but give me nice beautiful color. Again, this is its number 150. Easy. This is its first color, and again it's color easy. And now I will show you 152 color sweetness. This is, I feel like, will be #1 selling lipstick from this collection. And now I have this color, again it's color sweetness on my lips. It's have a little bit like a plummy color, but it's so beautiful. It's perfect for fall. You're looking for fall lipstick, that's it, it's right here. Ooh, this is, it looks like color, deeper, brighter color, 154. It's named Kino. Let me try this. Woohoo! I'm ready for evening. This is again formula, it's not sheer, it's pretty rich color. And again, this is color 154. Now we're coming to a red lip color, number 156. Ooh, worms. Okay, let me first try on my wrist. I wanna see this red color. It's right here. Again, after I removing this lipstick, my lips feel so good. Wow, it's a true red color. I don't see a blue here, I don't see an orange here. It may be because it's a lightning show a little bit different way, but to me personal, it's a true red color. I love it. Another red color, and it's 158 color named Bright. Let's see how bright this color. Woo! I am trying on my fingers actually these colors because they're very similar. We have 158 right here, and let me put 152. They're really close, but let's try on my lips, let's see. Okay, second color, it's slightly a little bit orangey to me. but I'll be honest with you, I don't feel it's a big difference. It's one color sold out. You can buy a second one. Again, I'm talking about this is color 158 and before have 156. Not big difference. One color, which one I'm scared to try, is this one. It looks like a purple black. 160 color wild. Let me put next to this red beautiful lipstick. Oh, it looks different what I expect. Let's try this color wild. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. I knew if I will reapply couple more layers, I will not like it will go too dark, too deep, but just one time or two times, it's pretty good on me, right? Again, girls, let me know what is your favorite lip color on my lips. Thank you for your support. If you not yet give me like, please give me like, because believe me or not, I got this collection. I ran to my home to create this video for you. I'm not lying, it's already getting dark outside.